Hey guys, welcome aboard our Winnebago Adventure 35A. It's a 2005. We're here today to troubleshoot this Norcold N822LT refrigerator and the problem with it attempting to ignite but not firing off with the LP gas. It's fine in the electric mode. Attempt to pull it off of electric. It rolls over to LP gas. You hear it attempt to ignite about 3 times and then it stops and then presents an FA code here, fault code. And I had a suspicion about what that problem might be. We're going to go ahead and troubleshoot that today and find a fix for it. Okay, so outdoor we have already removed the refrigerator access panel, and I was suspecting that the problem was in the burner orifice. It's a small tube that connects right into the little chimney on the right hand side. We'll get in there in just a minute to show you exactly where it mounts. I've gone ahead and already removed the existing one, and you'll notice it right by the new one here. As we zoom in a little bit, you can see how the new one has kind of like gills in it, little slots there, and the old one is just completely gone. That was partially because I went in there with a screwdriver to open it up. That enabled the refrigerator to light, but it sounded like a very loud flickering flame. So we got the replacement. It's right there. It's a 621957. And also, this is a really easy fix. We just need these tools right here: Phillips head screwdriver, 1/2-inch open head wrench, and a socket driver. Up in the refrigerator compartment, I've done a few safety things before I made any changes to this. And that is first to unplug it. That outlet is right inside here. And also shut off the LP gas supply here. And I also shut off the LP gas at the main tank itself. Now I've already removed this is the condensate tray that's going to mount right on the wall here, and the little the wind cover, remove that as well. And this is where the burner orifice attaches to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mount that in. I have successfully reinstalled the new burner orifice. Yay! A couple of notes. One is the compression fitting itself here is a 5/8 inch, not a 1/2 inch that I mentioned earlier. Also, this is the old burner orifice, and you'll notice at the top there it has a kind of a blade that inserts into a slot that's in this flashing inside here that is part of this chimney, so it's important to get that in there. Also, I've reinstalled the wind guard here, and I still need to install the condensate tray. That'll be the last thing, but in preparation to reignite it, I have plugged power back in and also turn the LP gas back on here, as well as at the main tank itself. So I'm going to get this condensate tray put back in, and then we'll go inside and light it back up. Back on board. Let's give this a shot. Hit the on button. Make sure the mode is selected to LP gas. Let's listen for it to fire off. There it goes. It's ignited, and it's burning real softly. I don't know that the camera's picking that up. This project should take maybe 20 minutes or so. Real simple. Good luck.